Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand that's by the brand called Nooie, Nooie. And pretty much what it is an outdoor security camera. So first things first, let's actually unbox it to show you what comes out the package first before we do the test and talk more about the product. So on the side right here, you can see they labeled a bunch of stuff: 1080p, waterproof, motion detection, two-way audio, cloud or local storage, and night vision. So when we open up right here, first thing you kind of see right here is a little logo right there, live with style and ease. When we open that compartment, we get a little instruction guide or manual on how to set up the product and what is on here. And then they provide you some stickers on here, which is pretty cool, and a feedback card on like what you think about the product and whatnot. The next layer right here, as you can see, we have the actual camera itself, but it's not just a camera. They actually provide you these accessories. So this is the wall outlet that you can plug into the wall to activate the product and whatnot. They provide you some mounting accessories, so like the screws, the cable line holders, wall mounts and whatnot. But last but not least is the actual camera itself, if you guys can see right here. So for this product, if you guys can see, it's a built-in cable. So if you guys don't like that option, then this probably is not the one for you already. Pretty much the cable that they use on here is a USB, if you guys can see right here. So this is a USB that you guys actually plug it into the wall outlet that they provide you here, or if you guys want to use your own one, you guys can do that as well. But let's open up the camera first to show you guys what it looks like. So basically this is what it looks like right here. You guys can actually turn this 360, which is pretty cool. And then for this part right here, you guys can see, you guys can actually move it up and down like this angle as well, which is pretty cool. So depending on how you guys want to mount it, you guys mount it like that. If you guys want to, you guys want to move it out that way, you guys can do that as well. You guys want to turn 360, you guys can do that as well. So there's a lot of different functionality on here. Speaker is right here if you guys want to do the two-way audio right here. Micro SD card slot right here if you guys want to use that option instead of the cloud storage. You guys will actually need a screw to open up, which I'll show you guys in a second. They don't actually provide you a screw on here, which kind of sucks. So that's definitely one thing to also consider as well. But here we have the cameras, if you guys can see right here. So remove that layer right here, and then remove this layer here as well. That's what it looks like right there. So like the lens for the camera is right there. They have the night vision effects throughout the camera here as well. So when I turn it on and everything, you probably will see it later on. Basically that's everything that's on the product itself. Now let's go through the test to see whether it works and how it works, and show you the app as well, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so pretty much here is the instruction on how to set up the product on like the application, everything. So they have it for Google and they also have it for Apple devices. But basically this is what the app looks like. So you guys want to sign up an account and then proceed after that. Alright, so here we have the product plugged in now. We're gonna pair it on right here and see on the application. It will ask which one you guys want to use. I believe this one should be the Nooie cam, so let's give it a try first. So it's gonna tell you the instruction here to connect it onto a Wi-Fi router and everything. You guys want to make sure that when you guys are using the Wi-Fi connection to use a 2.4 instead of a 5 gigahertz network. So once you connect it onto your 2.4 gigahertz device, then you guys can start pairing it on here. So you can see right here it asks whether or not the red light is on, which is this red light right here. If you can see it blinking, so it's on. So we click on that button right here. It'll ask for the password for the Wi-Fi and everything, so just fill that part in and then proceed afterward. And then ask you to kind of do a QR code scan right here, cover it because for safety reason and whatnot. So pretty much you want to have the camera like kind of scanning the QR code, and when it's done, then it'll continue to pair the device. So when it's done, click next, and right now it's pairing the device onto here. If you can see, just give it a couple of seconds. Alright, so it's connecting right there, as you can see, and it made that noise. Alright, so it asks you if you guys installed the camera or not. I'm just going to use already installed for now. And it asks you what you want to name your camera or whatever, your front door, living room, baby room, office. We'll just use front door for now. And then we're going to check it out and see how it works. And basically on the screen, this is what it shows you guys right here. Record, screenshot, siren, speak, listen. If you guys want to subscribe to the cloud service, or if you guys want to put in your own micro SD card, you guys can do that as well. Device setting, everything on here. So on the camera setting, there is a audio recording, status light, rotate image, night vision, motion detection, sound detection, storage, camera sharing, and camera information all on here. And if you guys want to remove the camera for any reason, you have the option on here. Alright, so basically this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys an example of what the quality looks like. You guys can see right here, but basically the quality of the image is pretty good. You guys can see the camera is right here, and this is what I'm recording right here. You guys can see if you guys want to record stuff or take pictures, you guys can click the buttons on here. So this photo is right here. You take a picture, bam, done. You want to record, click record, and recording. So you can see the live button and recording right here. When you guys are done, click that. You guys can do that if you guys want to use the audio. One thing I want to mention on here is the fact that if you guys look on the bottom of the camera right here, there's 2 screws and there's a micro SD card slot here. So let me actually open that part up to show you what I'm talking about first. Alright, so I removed the product right here, as you can see. So the micro SD card slot is right there, as you can see. It's labeled right there as well. And then there's a little reset button. So you guys click this white button right here. That is the reset button if you guys want to reset the device. One thing that kind of sucks is the fact that for this device, it has a screw, but they don't provide you a screwdriver, so you need to have your own screwdriver to open it up, which kind of sucks. I kind of wish that they kind of included a screwdriver or something so people can unscrew it, but that's definitely one thing to kind of consider, or that sucks about this product so far, but everything else is pretty good. Welcome back, guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see that actually works quite well. I didn't actually mount this on anything. I just want to test out the image quality of like the night vision, the actual camera itself, all the different modes on here, like the alarm, the silent mode, the recording, the audio, taking pictures, taking videos. All those options works as promised. The 1080p quality is really, really nice if you guys saw the image or the video on the app. And one of the cool thing about this product that I feel like a lot of other cameras or security cameras that I've tested in the past does not have is the fact that it doesn't just have motion detection, but it also has sound detection. Like a lot of security cameras that I've tested in the past only has the motion detection, but it doesn't have the sound detection, which is pretty cool about this product. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this security camera itself costs around like $80, and for that price range, would I say that it's actually worth it or not? So for me, honestly, I have to say that it's actually worth it if you guys need it for like home security, any kind of protection around the house or an office, anywhere you guys want to like spy on someone to make sure they're not doing anything wrong or whatever. This would be a really cool product to have, especially with all the functionalities that's on here, like the anti-theft alarms, the two-way audio, the amazing quality, video quality, picture quality, motion detection, sound detection, like basically everything that you would want to expect to have in a security camera is all on here. The only bad thing that I would have to say that's kind of like a downside for this product is the fact that they have this screw on part for the micro SD slot, because they don't actually provide you a screw, so that kind of sucks. Like, how do they expect someone to open this part up if they don't have like a screw to open up? So that's definitely a downside for this product, but everything else about this product is actually really, really nice. So I definitely have to say that this product is worth it if you guys need it. But if you guys don't need this or don't want this, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you actually do need. And then if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback for this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today, G Squad fan shout out day, we have